Hi all, in this video I'm going to explain about how to install React using Vite in VS Code. Before installing React in VS Code, we need to have Node.js installed in the PC. To check that Node.js is installed or not, we have a command called node-v. This command is used to check the version of Node installed in our PC. This is the version that is installed in this PC. And React.react Vite. This is a site where we can find the documentation how to install React using Vite. And this is a command, npm command we are going to use to install React in our PC. We need to paste it in the npm terminal and it asks the project name. We can give the project name like React demo and it asks for the select framework. I'm going to select React and select a variant. I'm going to select JavaScript. I'm going to select the ESLint here and asking to install with the npm and start now. I am going to select yes, so it will be installed the packages directly and starts the server. Here you can see the package and dependencies are installed. And here you can see that React is set up and you can see the public directory here and source directory and package.json file. And this is the port number where our website is running. And this is the React and the code. This is a file where the code is running. If we do any change here, then it will be reflected here. Let's remove, get started, and save the file. And you can see that get started is removed here. This is how we can set up React in our VS Code.